Day 11th of July, Thursday. Ended up, wife had work. We were short-handed. Anyway, she wanted me to make something to hold the food bowls for the raccoons, and we've got some probably stray cats that come to the house and we feed them too. So anyway, using off-fall material and down dirty and quick, I made this. Cost is zero because it was off-fall material that I had. Already had the paint. This one back leg is a little crooked. I don't think the critters are going to care. But it'll hold the food bowls and keep them from getting tipped over, knocked over in the yard, all that good stuff. And yeah, not too bad for zero cost. Use the YES Welder. I was trying to use my little spot welder I got, Harbor Freight Special. I just can't get that thing to make a spot weld that'll hold. And I tried multiple adjustments. I gotta play with it some more. So that didn't work. But my YES Welder did. And used my combination shear, press brake, and roller. Perfect. Lord knows I got machines. Could I have bought an outdoor feeding station? Yeah, probably. 20 bucks. Or more. Hell, who knows nowadays? Inflation kicked in solid. But like I said, I just whipped that out real quick. It'll work. So actually, it don't look terrible actually. But anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.